Imagine you're about to make a big purchase, but you're unsure if your card can handle it. That's the exact situation we're going to tackle today. Ever wondered, can my Airwallex card handle this? Airwallex, a global financial technology platform, offers a range of financial products, including prepaid cards. These cards are designed for both personal and business use. But one question that often pops up is, what's the card limit for Airwallex? Understanding card limits. Before we dive into the specifics, let's clarify what a card limit means. It's essentially the maximum amount you can spend on your card in a given period. Factors affecting Airwallex card limits. Several factors influence the card limit on your Airwallex card. Card type. Different card types may have varying limits. For instance, a business card might have a higher limit than a personal card. Spending history. Your past spending patterns play a role. Consistent and responsible spending can lead to higher limits. Account age. The longer you've had your Airwallex account, the more likely you are to have a higher limit. Income level. Your income can also be a factor. A higher income might correlate with a higher limit. Creditworthiness. Your credit history, including factors like credit score and payment history, can impact your limit. How to check your Airwallex card limit. There are a few ways to find out your Airwallex card limit. Online portal. Log into your Airwallex account and check your card details. The limit should be displayed. Mobile app. If you use the Airwallex mobile app, you can usually find your card limit there. Customer support. Contact Airwallex customer support. They can provide you with the exact limit for your card. Tips for managing your Airwallex card limit. To make the most of your Airwallex card limit. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your expenses to avoid exceeding your limit. Request a limit increase. If you need a higher limit, you can request one from Airwallex. Pay your bills on time. Consistent payments can improve your creditworthiness and potentially lead to higher limits. Avoid excessive spending. Sudden or large increases in spending can raise red flags. Understand your card's features. Familiarize yourself with your card's benefits and limitations. The card limit for your Airwallex card can vary based on several factors. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can effectively manage your card limit and make the most of your Airwallex account. Do you have any questions about Airwallex card limits or other related topics? Leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.